So you might be in this weird situation where every time you go ahead and open up your TikTok application, it basically asks you for a passcode. Now, this is very random. Usually why this ends up happening is usually because of just some weird glitch that goes on within TikTok. So the first thing you're going to want to do, and the easiest way and main way to fix this, is by updating your TikTok application. So really, whether you're on an iPhone or iPad or whatever device you have, even an Android, if it's asking you for passcodes or if it's giving you weird behavior, the best thing to do is to update the application, and most of the time that should fix it. So what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and go inside of your Apple App Store. You want to go and click on the search button down here, and you want to go and click up here and you want to type in TikTok. So type in TikTok just like so, and all you're going to want to do is hop inside of the TikTok, particular page right here. Now you're going to see an update button right there. All you're going to want to do is tap on that update button, and then the TikTok application will start updating. Now, this can take a little bit of time, so it can take more than just like a couple seconds, so keep that in mind. It can take quite a bit of time here. So what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and just kind of sit it out, wait it out until the TikTok application completely updates, and then once it updates, you should be good to go. When you see this application fully update like this, you want to go and tap on the application right here, and you're going to want to go and see if it asks you for the passcode again. Most of the time, from everything that I've read online, literally by doing this, it's going to stop asking for the passcode, and then you should be able to open it up. Now, if it's asking for like this type of passcode when you're clicking on the particular application, that means that user has basically blocked that particular application from being used unless you type in a password. So that's a little bit different. But if it's that particular one where it's like you're opening up the actual app and it's asking for the iPhone passcode, updating the application should end up fixing it. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.